AV equipment for your next project?
Do you want to document your artwork?
The Media Center has a wide variety of resources including film, video, audio, photography, lights, tripods, projectors, documentation spaces, editing labs, recording studios, and more.
Any member of the SAIC community can borrow equipment and resources from the Media Center for up to 7 days.
All Media Center equipment falls under 3 access categories. General access includes equipment that is available to any student, faculty, or staff. Certified access includes equipment that requires a specific training course. Authorized access includes equipment only permitted to students enrolled in certain classes or departments.
There are 3 Media Center locations on campus. Each has a large pool of general access equipment available to everyone in the SAIC community.
The Sharp Media Center also houses contemporary practices equipment, as well as equipment for art ed and visual communications departments. The 280 Media Center also carries specialized gear for the photo and performance departments.
The McLean Media Center offers a wide range of equipment, mostly belonging to the Departments of Art and Technology, Sound Practices, and Film, Video, New Media, and Animation.
Do you want to browse Media Center resources?
Visit the Media Resources microsite where you can browse equipment options and manuals.
To check out equipment from the Media Center, it must be reserved through the online reservation system, Patron Portal.
Patrons can reserve equipment, make room reservations, edit or cancel reservations, as well as submit special requests on Patron Portal. Have a unique situation? Submit a special request on Patron Portal in order to make longer checkout times than the standard checkout length, reserve larger quantities than normal, or to make reservations more than 3 weeks in advance. When it's time to pick up gear, arrive on time. Check the contents of kit for each piece of equipment. And confirm the return date and time for the equipment before leaving the Media Center. Checkout guidelines. Must have a valid ARTA card. Advanced reservations are required and need to be created at minimum 1 hour ahead of time. Reservations are held for 1 hour after pickup time, then deleted. Verify the return date and time. Before leaving, check the contents of kit. Stop at security when exiting any campus building with equipment.
Do you want training, or do you want to discuss equipment options for an upcoming project?
The Media Center's equipment trainers offer workshops and one-on-one training opportunities to discuss projects and equipment questions. Additionally, certification courses and other equipment training resources can be found on the Media Center's Canvas page. Remember, the entire SAIC community relies on the Media Center's resources to get their work done. Therefore, it's important to take care of equipment and return equipment on time. Equipment that is returned late or damaged may result in a fine. Please do not leave equipment unattended, even while on the SAIC campus. Equipment care. Take care of equipment. Only operate in dry and safe locations. Inform the Media Center of any lost or damaged equipment. Take time to wrap up cables and place items in the appropriate compartments and cases. When returning equipment, wait until the Media Center employee releases you before leaving.
If you need resources, look into the Media Center. They may have what you need to get the project done.